That's the hose bib on the far end that's closest to the equipment that we'd be attaching to. And then, it kind of runs along here. And this would be the water source, as you can see. And that feeds the kitchen. So it runs all the way across underneath the house to this second hose bib over here. It goes out there. So this is the front yard, and that line all the way back there, that's where we would actually tie in. That is the backyard, and that is closest to the equipment. That's where the hose bib is. And that's pretty much it.